What is up, my dudes? And that one girl's ready to play another round of What's in the Box? There's no box here now, but there will be a box. Trust me, there's a box. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. Ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on our Cardo communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear or a discount that is brand new to the channel that's coming up, hang out, then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link explaining what I do with your money. Get it, got it, cool, let's move on. Alright guys, so today we have another package from HOGWORKZ that I have been very excited about. I've been waiting for a little bit now, and I wanted to open it up with you guys because I've mentioned this before. HOGWORKZ does an amazing job just with the packaging right out of the gate. So yeah, we're going to be talking about parts, but I want you to see that when you order something from HOGWORKZ, it is carefully packaged, it's taken care of. There is a very, very slim chance that in delivery something is going to get damaged because this is great. This is great packaging. All right, look, enough of this. Now let's see what's in the box. To do that, I'm going to need my trusty blade. All right, let's get into this. All right. So yeah, when I say I've been waiting a while, it's because these were not being shipped yet. Not because I was waiting for HOGWORKZ to ship this. Another thing I've mentioned in the past is HOGWORKZ shipping is incredibly fast, like ridiculously fast. They are in the central part of the country. I'm over in the Northeast. I get my stuff within like a day or two. It's pretty crazy. I don't know who they have like working their shipping. I don't know what agreements they've made with FedEx, but man, this stuff comes quick and it is awesome. All right, so we just got a bunch of bubble wrap and foam here. Let's get inside this. You figure out what it is yet? Of course you did, because you already looked at the thumbnail on the video. So you know what this looks like before I know what this looks like. Future me knows what this looks like. I don't. And again, I just want to open this in front of you. I want you to see that they do take very good care in packaging the products. They want to make sure that things aren't dented up, smashed up, you know, scratches in the paint, stuff like that. All right, guys, so what we have here is HOGWORKZ Double Barrel Performance Saddlebag Guards. You know, there's a left, there's a right, we're good to go. So this is going to be on the side of your bag. Your bag's gonna be here. We're gonna do a quick install in a little bit. I just wanna go through what you get in the box first, so don't worry about that. But yes, you get your two double barrel performance saddlebag guards here. You've got two bag rails here. So that's to replace the ones that you already have. I have seen some bag guards similar to this where you actually have to cut your rails and use them. I don't like that idea. I like having my old parts in case I want to like go back to a different look. So with HOGWORKZ providing these, that is awesome. These saddlebag guards are 1 1/4 inch tubular steel. They're powder coated black, and they come with 2 sliders per side that are made of Delrin. This is a type of thermoplastic. Most of the guardrails that you see out there in this style are using this exact same thing, but in different styles. A lot of times I see them looking like skateboard wheels. I'm not a big fan of that look. I'd prefer the more streamlined sort of approach, and that's why I really like these. When these go onto the bag rails, you know, that's a nice streamlined look, and you will see that once we put these on the bike today. You also have a couple different spacers in the box, so you can choose a few color accents if you want. We have red, we have blue, we have silver, and we have orange. So with these are gonna sit right between that spacer and the bag guard, just for like a little extra pop. So that is pretty cool, because if you are running some sort of color on your bike, whether it be red, blue, silver, orange, and you want like those little accent pop colors, you've got them here, and that is absolutely awesome. Don't see a color you like? Take these silver ones, go down to your local powder coater and tell them what you want. That's gonna cost you like 20 bucks probably, and you're good to go. Or you could choose not to use these at all and just put the spacers on the bars like this. Now this particular set of bag guards is for Harley touring models from model year 2014 up to model year 2025. Now these are coming in right around $289. However, if you want to save a little bit of extra money, use my discount code that's down below. Hogworks hit me up. They said, hey, we like working with you. We want to hook you up. We want to hook up your viewers. So you get a little extra discount on top of the already good prices. And I've said this before, Hogworks has excellent prices. When you are comparing them to their competitors, they are generally coming in cheaper, and they are not doing this by compromising their quality. I actually went out and I looked at a few competitors for Hogworks, and I'm gonna throw them up here so you can kind of see the price differences between this set and what other places are doing. I'm not gonna name drop, this isn't like a mudslinging sort of thing. I just want you to see that overall, Hogworks has a great price point for these. Now, if you're looking to pair these up with an engine guard of the same flavor, Hogworks has you covered as well. There's actually two different options you can use. They have the double barrel performance engine guard, which looks very similar to these except right up front. I'll pop that right there. Or you can go with the same style that I'm using on my bike, which is the level up performance engine guard. That's just got a single bar and it's a little more low profile. So far, I have really been digging that as well. So this makes a great pairing if you're looking to just have that one cohesive look on your bike. But enough about all that. Let's get out to the bike, let's get these installed, and let me show you what they look like when they are on the bike. Let's do it. All right, guys, so first things first, to get this done, we have to get this saddlebag off. So let's go ahead and do that. Look at that, nice and easy, no problem. We also took off the side panel because we are going to be removing this bolt and these two bolts. So let's go ahead and take care of that now. And gone. Now do be aware, when you do this, depending on your exhaust setup, your exhaust will be connected to this plate. With this plate here, there's going to be a rubber gasket right here. You need to remove this and move this over to your new setup. So we're going to do that as well. Now, one other bolt you're going to have to remove to get this installed will be under your seat, and it'll be this one right here. That is where your bag guard is going to bolt to on the top of your frame. So make sure you remove these on both sides. Let's do that. All right, so here's our bar all bolted in. You're going to be reusing the hardware that was already on the bike, so make sure you set that aside. Don't throw it away. Don't throw it at your neighbors because you're mad at them or whatever. Save it, you're reusing it. So cool. Now let's get this back bar installed. All right, guys, so I've got it bolted up here, bolted right there. There's a little bolt that comes with this whole setup that I've got put on right there. And then I've got my two rear ones. I'm going to replace that boot and bolt this exhaust on, and then I'm going to replace the saddlebag, and we're going to take a look. Overall, this whole setup is nice and easy to do. You can polish off both sides with like one beer, maybe two or three if you're pre-gaming. But overall, this is a nice, simple setup. So let's get this put back together and let's see how this looks all complete. All right, guys, so like I said, very simple install, fantastic company behind it. What do you think? Honestly, I love the look. It's gonna be great. What color spacers did I go with? Anyone who's been watching my channel for a while, you know that we're gonna take this a different level of color and all that fun stuff. Keep an eye on my Instagram. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so that's what I've got for you. How do you like them? Personally, I think they look great. Honestly, I love Hogworks. They are a great company and they have been a great partner to work with. Once again, check out my new discount code from them. It's down below. If you want to order something from them, save yourself a little bit of money on already really good prices. But yeah, that's what I've got. What do you got? Sound off down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know who's like, I just want my bike to be safe. Here you go, one dude. We got you. We got you. And I'll see you all on the flip side.